Remember? 45, 135, 225, and 315. And this region, you can convert it into, I'll tell you two methods if you want to remember this or you don't want to remember this. Both options I have. Mod is greater. And in this blue region, mod sine. Okay. Either remember this, otherwise I'll tell you the other method. Okay. So A is 340. So where is 340?
Cos, that red one.
Now, I will take the right hand side first. We have to subtract it. First, we will see what is it separately. Okay. Okay. 1 minus sine A. Can I write cos A by 2 minus sine A by 2 ka whole square?
Okay.
Now, what was root of x square? Hamesha?
Plus or minus?
Eh?
No.
Mod x, mod x, mod x.
Huh.
Okay. So, यहाँ पे mod cos A by 2 minus sine A by 2. I think this much is clear. Okay. Now, what will happen for the bottom one? Only a small sign change will be there. Okay. Because it's plus. Here also it will be plus. Here also it will be plus. This much clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, your
so the square. Okay.
A is 340 degree. So A by 2 is
170.
Correct, 170. Now, which quadrant? Quadrant D, which region first of all? Okay, quadrant dekte first. Second. And which region? In this region.
Red.
Okay. Now, let us see the first one. Second quadrant में ये candidate negative है और sign positive है. But negative of a positive quantity, this becomes, it's like -5, -3. समझ रहे हो? So the whole value inside the mod is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So if the whole value is negative, then you will get what? As minus sign outside. So minus cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2. Clear?
So
Huh? What happened? Your voice is breaking.
So 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. Yes, sir.
Okay, till here is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here this is negative, this is positive. So it is like -3 plus 5, or it can be -5 plus 3. Now here we don't know. We don't know which is the negative number. Then where the minus sign is there, उसका magnitude ज़्यादा है, इसका magnitude ज़्यादा है. ये हमें पता नहीं है. You're getting? So in this case, what you will do is you will have to check this mod. That's why I told you this is easy. Okay. So you have to check. This region में mod of cos is bigger than mod of sine. So it will be like bigger number का negative आएगा plus 3. ऐसे कुछ आएगा वैसे. Sin A by 2 will be smaller actually. Okay. So still, what will happen to the inside value because this is more negative. Okay, and this is positive. So the inner value will be
More negative.
no, more negative. Finished. Okay. So it will
Okay.
be minus cos a by 2 plus. ये clear है?
Yeah.
If you remember this diagram, very good, direct. Otherwise, I can also show you another method. So cos 170 and sin 190. I have told you one thing the beginning, if you remember. In first quadrant, mein, you know everything. 0 to 45, cos is greater than sin. And from 45 to 90, sin is greater than cos. Ye yaad hai na? So I'll make it in everything in first quadrant. So it will be cos 180 minus 10. Cot 180 minus theta is minus cos 10. Okay. Now, sin 170 will be directly sin 10.
Sin.
Okay. Now we are adding both of this. No? That's what this is saying. Adding both of this. Now, 0 to 45, who's bigger? Cos is bigger. So this is a bigger value. This is a smaller value. Positive aega.
Oh.
So like that also you can. I know that sin and cos will not get 5 and 2, but that's an example I'm giving. Okay. Sin and cos will only have values between -1 and 1. Okay. Clear? Either you remember this diagram, otherwise make everything into first quadrant and think. Because first quadrant, you know that between 0 to 45, cos is bigger than sin. Because everything is, both are positive in first quadrant. So you don't need anything. Either you remember this diagram, otherwise do that. Okay. Clear? Now, I want to subtract these two. Okay. So I'm subtracting, see, they're saying this minus this. Okay? So what will happen? This will be plus. I'm putting minus here, minus here, minus here. Okay. So this will be plus. When you add, what will happen? This will cancel. And sin 2a will be 2 sin 2a. Yes, 2 sin a by 2. Right.
Okay.
Here? I'll give you one more also.
Sir, a doubt.
Yeah.
So it's a minus root of 1 plus sin a. So like
Root
it's
minus?
root of 1 plus sin a.
Okay. That is because I'm just adding it. That's why.
Yeah.
That's it.
But like because like like that whole expression inside the modulus cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2.
Okay.
That is negative. And then like it got with
Put
that.
a positive here.
And that minus.
This is, we don't know now what is going to this. After opening the mod only I knew now. After opening the mod, I understood it has a negative sign. So that negative and negative became plus. Before opening the mod, I don't know. This negative is this negative.
Okay.
This negative.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay, try this. First, you tell me 1 minus sine A. Wait. One second. You do not 5. Do one thing. 580 degree. Okay. $580 ka. Tell me the value of this. What will be the value of this?
That's minus root of 1 minus sine A.
Yeah. First you find plus root, then we'll see. I just now made it up because I didn't want the same degree. That's all. So there's no learning there. This you understood? I can write this.
Huh.
Now A by 2 is how much? 290 degree.
That for 1 minus sine A will be, the whole thing will be negative, and 1 plus will
Which
be.
1 minus sine A will be negative. Okay. No. Root, see, it is A by 2 is 290, right?
Huh.
So this is negative and this is negative. Because it is in which quadrant? Achha, it is in 4th quadrant, kya? Oh, okay. Okay, correct. So 4th quadrant, this is positive, this is negative. So the whole term is positive, right? Okay, correct. Because negative of negative will become positive. So जो भी term अंदर है वो पूरा positive है. ठीक है. This is right. Now this is positive, this is negative. But now we don't know. So we have to see the mod value. 290 कहाँ होता है? यहाँ पे होता है. यहाँ पे sine is bigger than cos.
So negative.
Yeah. So the whole thing is negative. So minus cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2. Okay. Now I'm putting the sign change. Minus plus. Okay. I'm adding it. So what will happen? ये दोनों cancel हो गया. Actually ये दोनों भी cancel हो गया. देख. 0 is answer.
Okay.
Clear now? This you can do. Okay, this is called interval. Using intervals, they'll give you questions. Like for example, take another example. Now they'll ask this question: how to solve this question? This question. So if they don't mention any quadrant or any range or interval, then you simply do the normal formula that you have learned. Simple. Nothing else. So यहाँ पे 2 plus, here I can take 2 common. So 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now you know 1 plus cos 4 theta is 2 cos square.
2 cos square theta.
2 theta. Okay. And like that you will have to start reducing. So 2 plus 2 into 2 root of 4 cos square 2 theta. So here we don't know anything about the interval, nothing. So we ignore it. We just directly write 2 plus. Actually speaking, it is like this. Like, but we don't know anything about the interval, na? Interval is not given in this question. Interval. Theta ka interval is not given in this question. Okay? So we just don't do like this. We keep it like this only. We don't use mod. Okay?
Interval as in?
0 to 90, 90
Okay.
to 80, 180, like that. We solve it just algebraically, we solve it. That's it. Again,
Okay.
1 plus cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square.
Theta.
That will be 2 cos
2
theta.
cos theta.
And that's the answer. Okay, listen. First, you listen this question completely. Okay. Now, they have given the question theta is between 0 to pi by 8. Suppose. First case. So from here till here, everything is fine.
Hmm.
Here also, till here, everything is fine. Okay. Now, here, what will happen is it will be root of 2 plus 2 cos. Getting? If if theta is between this 0 and pi by 8, you should find 2 theta ka range. So multiply the entire thing by 2. So what will it be? 0, 2 theta, pi by 4. So 2 theta ka range is between 0 and 45. That is in the first quadrant. Their cos is positive. Okay. So कैसे खोलेगा? ऐसे normally खोलेगा. 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. And like we got it till here, no? What will happen? 4 cos square theta ka root. It will be mod 2 mod of 2 cos theta. Again, cos theta. Theta is between 0 and 22.5. That is also the first quadrant.
First.
So 2 cos theta.
Okay.
Okay. Now wait. Now I am giving an interval like this. 0 to 9. Same question. I'll take the same question. And the interval I'm changing to 0 to 90. Now see what will happen. Same question will have 2 answers. Multiple choice aega ye. So 92. Till here, everything is fine. Okay. Now tell me, if 0 to theta is 90, then what happens? 2 theta will be
Between pi.
0 and 180. Now there is a problem. Because 0 to 90 causes positive and 90 to 180 causes negative. दो तरह खोलेगा. So this will have 2 cases.
Oh.
Okay. When 2 theta is between 0 to pi by 2 and when this is 2 theta is between pi by 2 to pi. वही है ना, range तो वही है. But I've taken 2 different cases. यहाँ पे it will be like this: 2 plus 2 cos theta, because mod will come positive. Here mod will open negative because cos 2 theta is sorry. Cos 2 theta is negative here. Okay. Now here 1 plus cos 2 theta. So that is 4. I think you understood how I got. So that is mod 2 cos theta. Now you tell me, if 2 theta is between 0 and 90, this implies theta is between 0 and
Pi
by 4.
Oh,
so their cos theta is positive only, na? Now यहाँ पे कैसे करें? 2 into
Sine, 4 sine.
Yeah. It will be 4
Sine
square theta. That will be mod of sine theta. Now you check.
And that will be positive anyways.
Here it will be divide by 2, the interval, inequality. So this is between 45 and 90. So because here I am checking for theta, na? So that middle one should be theta. So I divided the entire inequality by 2. Now it is 45. First quadrant sign is positive. So there are 2 answers for it. Same question can have answer 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta if interval is between 0 to 90. Multiple choice आएगा ये. Clear now this question using of interval?
Yeah.
Take it down.
Done. So done.
Everything done.
This one done.
Achha, oh, sorry. I changed the page, but I didn't realize. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Done.
Okay, try this. First, you take alpha between 0 to 90.
So can you put it a little up and this side?
Now,
Huh.
What did you do?
I didn't get it.
Sine 2 alpha, did you expand?
Yeah, as 2 sine square and cos square.
Okay. Now, iska kuch, what did you think?
I don't know.
Cos square, 2 cos square theta is what? 1 plus.
Cos 2 theta.
Whenever you see a cos square
Oh,
and uska double angle, uska double, if you take, it's a known angle. If you take double, what is it? Pi by 2 minus alpha.
no.
That you can write as sine alpha. Okay. So, minus 2. 2 I take common. Okay. This 4 I can split like this. Na? I can take 2 into 2. Yes. And that we know. So 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus alpha. ये 2 theta आएगा. Now, इसमें क्या common? इसमें 2. This I can write it as 4 sine square cos square. What is common?
4 sine
2
square.
sine square. अंदर एक sine square plus cos square.
That
Square.
is 1. So 2 sine.
What is this? Cos pi by 2 minus alpha?
Sine.
1 plus sine alpha. This is 1. So you will get, so this is 1. So we don't need to worry about that. What is root of 4 sine square?
Mod.
Very
2
good. I was
sine.
waiting for that. 2 mod of 2 sine alpha minus 2 1 plus sine alpha. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now, in 0 to 90, sine alpha is?
Positive.
ये 2 की जरूरत नहीं है. 2 बाहर भी रहे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can put it outside also. Okay, for mod. But main value is sine का. Correct. 2 sine alpha minus 2 sine alpha. So you get
minus 2. Okay.
Okay.
So but now, so like in that first that second line, you did it as like that sine square 2 alpha. You took it as 2 sine
Yeah.
2 sine cos and like
Whole square. This is square, na? 2 sine cos whole square. So
Okay.
4 sine square cos square.
Okay.
Written?
No.
Right. For next few days, can I take it at 7:30?
Yeah. But
7 or 7:15 maybe. I'll let you know. Just for few days. Okay? Because they are having their term exams. So none of them are coming. So.
yeah, done.
Now the same question I'm asking. Pi 2, 3 pi by 2. Matlab, which quadrant?
Third.
Third, correct. Now the thing, you don't have to again solve it. Answer till here is the same. Okay. Now third quadrant mein sign is negative. So here it will be
minus 2. So
sine
minus 4 sine alpha.
Correct.
Minus 2.
So minus 2 minus 4 sine alpha. See?
Hmm.
Same question will have different values. So the interval is different. Clear? Just write that part. Then I'll give another interval question.
Yeah, done.
Can see?
Yep.
Okay, do it. What did you write as root of 1 plus cos?
2 cos square x by 2
Correct.
plus 2 sin square
Cos
x by
square x. Very good, very good, very good. 2 sin square x by 2 and root of now, do you know that root 2 will get cancelled out everywhere?
Oh,
So I'm not going to write it in my next step.
okay.
Now, x is between pi and 2 pi. But we need to check which angle.
X by 2.
Correct. So x
So
by
between
2, pi by 2 to pi.
pi.
That comes in second quadrant. So basically,
Okay.
this is mod of cos x by 2 minus plus, sorry, mod divided by this is what it will come up to. Now you tell me, how will I make the sign change?
What sign change?
अरे mod का mod खोलना है ना?
Oh. You won't take cases?
You tell me if there is any case or not.
There
Because,
is,
see,
because like cos could be negative or positive.
how? It is in
Second,
one single quadrant, na? X by 2 is varying only in a single quadrant. So no cases, na? Here, why there were cases? Here, why there was a case? Because, no, not here, sorry. Here, why there was a case? Because your 2 theta was varying from 2 quadrants. And the 2 quadrant sign was different. Obviously, 2 quadrants में possibility है कि sign different हो जाए. But यहाँ पे तो single quadrant खेल रहे हैं K2.
हाँ. Okay.
So that is second quadrant. Second quadrant में sign is positive, cos is
Negative.
negative.
Okay.
So I'll just copy and do it. It's easy for me. So cos खोलेंगे तो एक negative डालेगा.
हाँ.
अभी cos खोलेंगे तो negative.
हाँ.
Sign, don't worry.
Positive.
Yeah. So no sign change direct.
Okay.
Then you can simplify it also. What will happen if I take negative common?
Ulta. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2.
You can take a negative common here and change the sign of this.
Huh?
So it will be cos x by 2
Minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2.
Correct. Now, this is can I express it in form of tan? I should do something I can express only in term of tan.
By dividing by cos.
Correct. Cos x by 2. So you will get 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. What is this? You studied it. Tan. ऊपर 1 minus t by 1 plus t क्या होता है?
Pi by 4 plus
हाँ,
theta.
pi
Minus
by
theta.
correct. Pi
But
by
it's
4.
pi by 2.
हैं?
Oh, okay.
Pi by 4 ही आएगा ना हमेशा.
हाँ. So, but a doubt.
Yeah.
In that second last step, that cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2,
Okay.
then the lower,
Okay.
yeah. Can we like just like multiply and divide with cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2?
Multiply by what? Cos
Minus
x by 2.
sin x by 2.
Cos x by 2 by
Minus sin x by 2, multiply and divide. No,
okay.
Cos x by 2 minus the numerator, can we multiply and divide?
अच्छा हाँ, like that you're saying. Okay. Then what will happen? इसका square आएगा.
हाँ.
It's be like this.
That will become. Okay, no, that.
This will become then 1 plus me. This will become 1 minus sin x.
Huh.
And this will become cos x.
Huh.
We can do depending on how the answer is made. We have done a question like this now. What is that? Prove something is equal to sec x minus tan x or tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. दोनों same ही है. Depending on how the answers, the options are, you can do that. So yeah,
Okay.
you're right. It will come as, if you multiply like that, it will come up as 1 minus sin x by cos x. You understood how, no?
Huh. Okay. Done.
So this is one question. First, you try it. Okay, it's a very standard type. कभी-कभी कोई question के बीच में आ जाता है सिर्फ. So that time we need to थोड़ा manipulation है इसमें. First you try. In the worksheet also there will be few questions like this. You should identify as I had. See if you can try to solve it. Otherwise, I will tell you. I'll tell.
Mm-mm.
Now what? I'll tell. Listen. Okay. They've designed the question in such a way that you have to do this method. There's no other method. So see, cosec 20, I will write it as 1 upon sine 20.
Hmm.
And this I will write it upon 1 upon cos 20.
Hmm.
Okay. Then I'll take LCM.
Hmm.
Sine 20 into cos 20.
Hmm.
You'll get, upper you see what I'm getting. Root 3 into cos 20 minus sine 20.
Hmm.
और कुछ नहीं
Multiply
करना.
and divide by 2. Huh?
What will you do?
Multiply and divide by 2.
Okay, multiply and divide by 2. Okay, S. Okay. Then what will happen? This will become?
Sine 40.
Okay, what will you do upper then?
Square.
No, see the magic. So again I'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay. Now you ask me.
But why just?
I'll tell you why, na? So what is this value? You can tell it in cos or sine, anything. I don't mind. Cos. Or take it as sine better. Sine is better. Okay. Sine 60. Sine
30.
No. There you take it as cos. Cos.
Cos 6.
Now you see, is it in if the top numerator is in the form sine 60 into cos 20 minus cos 60 into sine 20. कुछ याद आ रहा है?
Sin A minus sin B.
हाँ.
Sin A minus B.
Correct.
Oh.
Sine 40.
Oh.
So 4 is equal. So 4 anyway you multiplied. Okay. Into you will get sine 40 ऊपर नीचे also sine 40. So
Okay.
whenever you see like this, na, root 3, understand, ऐसे अब करना चाहिए मुझे.
Okay.
Okay, or either root 2 will be there. तो 45 आएगा वहां पे. So like that you will have to think. Okay, this is standard type.
Okay.
Worksheet maybe will be there. So as soon as you finish, I will give you logarithm का worksheet करने के बाद then Lonely का few questions you will have to do and उसके बाद we'll do trigonometry worksheet.
Done.
Till now, what all standard angles I have taught you? Normal that you have studied in 10th standard, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then later afterwards, I taught you few more.
15, 75.
Yeah, 15 and 75. Okay, sine ka, cos ka and tan ka, sab ka. Then I taught you 22.5 only for tan and 22.5 and 67.5 for tan and cot. Correct? This much we need to know. Now next last standard angles that you need to know. Okay. I'll tell you out of this which is more important, which is more weightage, but it's better to remember the other two also. Okay. But main thing is sine 18 and cos 36. Okay. So we'll see that. Okay. Now इसका pi values but radians pi by 10 आएगा. इसका double है तो pi by 5. ये 54 इसका triple है. So 3 pi by 10. 72 is the double of 36. So 2 pi by 5. Okay. Itna clear? Okay. Now I want to prove that I want to find the value of sine 18. पहले 22.5, 15 उसका डबल या ट्रिपल या उसका मल्टीपल कुछ तो पता था. यहाँ पे क्या कुछ नहीं पता. You take the double or half, nothing we know. Okay. So what you do is this, listen very carefully what I do. Okay. This will come later in there's a small type where this is used. Okay. So learn this and then there it will also be easy. Can I take 5 theta as, sorry, 18 का multiple actually है 18 5 90. So 90. This is only multiple which you know of 18. Okay. Now, how will you split this 5 theta? 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90. Okay. Then I'll take 2 theta like this and 90 minus 3 theta. Clear? Now, if these two angles are equal, uska sine values also will be equal. So I can take sine 2 theta and sine 90 minus 3 theta, which I can also say is as cos 3 theta. Okay. This is 2 sine theta cos theta. What is this? 43. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. Now we want to find the sine value. Theta is what now actually here? 18 chal raha hai, theta. Okay. And I want to find what do you call it? Sine out of this. Okay. I'll take cos theta common here. So it will be like this. See, again, I'm just repeating this. I've told you before also. Till 10th standard, you used to do like this and tell A is equal to C. Correct? But now you are in higher secondary. You cannot do like that. तो क्या करना है? उसको other side लेके जाना. B common, A minus C is equal to 0. So either B is equal to 0 or A is equal to C. दोनों answer possible है.
Okay.
Don't have that habit. Or I told you before also when I'm taking inequalities, you can cut it, but make sure that is equal to 0 also. Okay. So यहाँ पे I can cancel theta, no problem. But then see cos theta is equal to 0 और solution है. But you know that कि cos 18 कभी 0 हो ही नहीं सकता. Because cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So cos 18 तो 0 हो ही नहीं सकता. So this is not possible. So it's okay. I can cancel it without that root is not valid. Here, itna? Now 2 sine theta is equal to 4. I'll write it as cos square. I'll write it as 1 minus sine square theta minus 3.
Okay.
Okay. I'll write it in S now. Better. So take it to the other side. 4 sine square minus 2 sine minus 1 is equal to 0. Let me just check. Yeah, correct. Did I make a mistake?
Plus.
Wait. Okay. Correct. Now take Sridharacharya's formula. S is equal to minus 2 plus or minus B square minus 4AC. तो again plus 16 आएगा divided by 2A. 8 आएगा. Correct? Okay. I'm taking to the other side the page. So here you can write it as minus 2 plus or minus 20 divided by 8. 20 is 5 into 4. Correct? This is 5 into 4.
Root 5.
4 will come outside as 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. So it is minus 1 plus or minus root 5. Clear? Now, theta is equal to 18. This is the first quadrant. It should be positive. Correct? So this has two values actually. Either minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Otherwise, root 5 minus 1 by 4. ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. Okay, so sin 18 is 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Here?
Yeah.
Now if you know sin 18, you can get cos double angle. पता है? तो 2, you know cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So if I put theta is 18, what do you get? Cos 36 is equal to 1 minus 2 into root minus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay, and you check what value you get. Find it out. Okay, start.
So can you go back?
Here.
No. Minus 1 minus root 5 by 2.
Here.
Oh, okay.
You will get root 5 plus 1 by 4. Check. After simplifying. Correct, na? Cos 36 is. You wrote the other things? You wrote till here?
No.
That's why I'm telling you to write this.
Oh.
This method is important. That's right.
Sorry.
Hey, question. Three theta comes. I remember.
So done with this one?
Done with this also?
No. Done.
Now, sin square 18 plus cos square 18, you know it is 1.
Huh.
So root 5 minus 1 by 4 ka whole square plus cos square 18 is equal to 1. So cos square 18 is 1 minus. Now I'm directly writing.
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm.
Okay. Then you take the square root 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. Root 16 is what? 4. Yes, yeah. So similarly, I will say cos 36 will be cos 36 we did sin 36. Cos 36 we got root 5 plus 1 by 4.
Hmm.
10 minus 2 root 5. Now, how I would suggest you is, what I do is, sin 18, I'll write a table like this, cos 18, then I'll write sin 36 and cos 36.
Hmm.
Cos ka values will always be plus, sin ka values you have observed every time. Sin 15 में it is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos is root 3 plus by 2 root. So cos is always bigger than sin. Okay? So यहाँ पे, if I write root 5 minus 1 by 4, the extreme you will write root 5 plus 1 by.
Okay.
In between value, the weird value will come. Root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So what will sin 36 will be 10 minus 2 root 2. And sin 18 is equal to cos 72. Okay.
Huh.
And this is sin 72. And this is cos 54.
Hmm.
And this is sin 54. So all the values I have covered. 18 if you have covered, 72 have covered. 36 you have covered, 54 is automatically covered. इसका tan में importance नहीं है. Like tan में 22.5 was more important. Tan में, tan and cot. यहाँ पे sin and cos values है. More I tell you, more and more. Till now, my experience says this is usually asked. This is usually institute makes the paper वैसे भी देता है कभी कभी. Okay, that's all. और कुछ नहीं. Fine. So like this you can remember and make a table. Like I shall show you what I have done in the notes. Like this.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, done.
No, 1 second. Huh.
Right. Easier. One second. I'll just give you. I have a call. I'll just give you a few questions. You try it out. Huh?
Hmm.
2 questions I'll give. Can you see both the questions?
Yeah.
Okay. So, did you get the first one?
No.
It is in which identity format? If I take negative common, it is cos square 12 minus sin
Yeah,
square
but
15. So minus.
the angle is not same.
Okay, let me see.
Oh.
Okay, difference for in cost difference, if I take 12 minus 48 or 48 minus 12, it doesn't matter, na?
No.
Okay. Why? What happened? Cos 60 is half. This is cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So minus root 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What mistake you did here actually? I just want to know.
It was like cos square minus sine square, right? So I thought that like it'll be cos 2 theta, but like that angle was not same. So I was trying to make the angle same.
Whenever it is square, understand? I always told you, if it is cos and cos square minus sine square, you will apply cos a plus b into cos a minus b. If it is two sines, difference of two sine square, then okay. But if it is sum of two sine square, I told you, एक को cos square में बना देंगे. If it is two cos squares also, एक cos square को sin square बना देंगे. But square है तो this is how you do always. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b or sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Always. I think you forgot, but it's okay. Well, that's why I told you practice is more important. Next one. किसके साथ कौन combine करेंगे? That is the Dvida. You can do it anyhow. It doesn't matter. I think it will come the same only. But if you see, इसका difference कितना? 36 ना? और इसका difference? One.
36.
36 only, no? Okay. Okay. You can do like this also. I did some other way. You can do like this also. Doesn't matter. Finally, the answer तो आना ही है. Okay. So 2 sine difference by 2 वैसे होता है ना? Difference is on the 36. 36 by 2, 18. Cos sum 58. 58 ना? 58 by 2. 2. Okay. Here 2 cos, 2 sin only आएगा. 2 sin. What is the difference? 36. 18. Cos how much?
86 by 2. 43.
43. Okay. Now what can you take common? 2 sin 8. 18 common लेंगे. तो अंदर क्या आएगा? Cos 29
plus cos 43.
तो कर लो. 2. Cos will be sum by 2 into cos into sum, difference by 2. तो sum कितना 72 आएगा I think by 2. Cos 36 into difference कितना? 34. 17 आ रहा है क्या? 7. 14 आ रहा है. 14 by 2, 7.
So 7.
Okay. Now 2 into 2, I can write 4. 4 into sine 18 is this. Cos 18 is this. And cos 7, we don't know. Keep it as cos 7. Here 4, 4 cancel. And this is a plus b into a minus b. So this root 5 square minus 1, 4. That will again cancel with 4.
So just cosine.
In the notes, what I did was, I combined these two and combined these two. Still, I'm getting the answer cos 7. However you do, will always get. Okay, next one. Whenever there is an 18 and 36, sin 18 and cos 36, मन में खुलना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे पता है उसका वैल्यू. Okay. You can combine anyone. But I would prefer to combine a big angle with a small angle. तो थोड़ा वो pressure कम होगा. Okay. I hope you understood. So cos 156 plus cos 12 you can combine, plus cos 132 plus cos 84 also you can combine. So 2 cos, sum कितना? 168.
168, 80.
83. 84. Okay. And difference is 144.
72.
Okay. Cos 72. Cos 72 directly I'm writing sin 18 because sin 18 का value मुझे आता है, इसलिए मैं directly sin 18 लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Okay. This is actually cos 72. ठीक है. Plus 2 cos 216, no? So 108 into cos, difference 16, 48, 24. नहीं
48.
Difference कितना है?
48.
Okay, 24 is it? हाँ 24, no? Okay. Now, what is 108? 90 plus 18. So what will be the cos 90 plus 18 will be?
Minus sin 18.
Correct. So I will write minus 2 sin 18 into cos 24. What is common? 2 sin 18 into cos 84 minus cos 24. Okay. 2 sin 18. Now, into cos, difference by 2. Difference is 60. So 30. Into cos, sum 108 by 2. Correct, no?
One second.
That's it. And this is sine 36, no?
Yeah.
So you know the values, how to do it now. Okay.
Mm.
So simply substitute the values. Okay. Clear?
Root 15 minus root 3 into root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16.
Okay. You sure we didn't make any mistake, no? Oh. Okay. Actually, I was thinking we could have done like this also. You could have combined these two. So difference will become, difference is a known angle, cos 120. And if I take like this, the difference is also a known angle. And that is okay, cos 72. Sum. Sum is how much? 240, I think. Yeah, 240, which is also a known angle. 180 plus 60. Yeah, I should have done that. That was more easy, I feel. Okay. But anyways, answer to same ही आने वाला है ऐसे. This middle step would have not been there. That's all I'm saying. Middle step wouldn't have been there. Again, take sine 18 common. वो नहीं होगा. That's all. Okay. Now, this, how will you do? Is it the cosine series? First, identify. Is it the cosine series? 36 doubles are. इसका double है इधर.
हाँ, but 108. So I'll
So what will you do with 108?
I'll keep it aside for now.
Think.
5 plus 108.
हाँ. See, cos 180 plus 108 कितना होता है? वो 288 होता है.
हाँ.
So it will be minus cos 108 ना?
हाँ.
So what will I do? Very good. I'll put minus outside and I'll take a minus like this. Can I do like that?
हाँ.
Okay. Now listen what I'm doing. So very good. So getting the hang of it. See, it's very easy. Really, I'm telling you, this will be easy for you. Okay. Now I'm just taking like this, arranging like this. See, ऐसे. And minus cos 108, or I'll write it as cos
280.
280. हो गया. अब हो रहा है ना cosine series पूरा.
हाँ.
So what was it? Minus आएगा. It will be sine of twice the biggest angle. Okay. So twice of 288 कितना आएगा? You can think like this. Twice of this. So it will be sine of 360 plus 216. देख. So easier.
216.
अरे 288 ऐसे हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
तो 288 का डबल कैसे आएगा? इसका भी डबल, इसका भी डबल.
Oh, okay.
So, and anyway, 360 plus is nothing. It's useless. So I'll write 216. Correct?
Okay.
And that is sine of 180 plus 36.
इतना
clear है? So what is sine 216? So I'll write sine 216 here now for now. Okay. How many terms? 4. So 2 raised to 4. Divided by what was it? Sine of the smallest angle. Sine 36. See, ऊपर भी sine 36 से आ रहा है. Minus sine 36 ही आ रहा है. So
sine 2 into smallest angle. No, okay.
नहीं. अरे you first you multiply sine alpha ऊपर ना. 2 sine alpha ऊपर. है ना? इसको how what will you do? If you have doubt, always think I'll multiply 2 sine 36 ऊपर, 2 sine 36 नीचे. Then this becomes sine 72 and so on you do. And last में what you will get? You will get sine 288 2. So you will get sine of double the biggest angle. Always see the process. That's why I taught you the process also. 2 raised to 4. Okay, cancel. Minus cancel. 1 upon 16. Here?
Oh, okay.
Done?
So once again, can I go back?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Tell.
how sine 216? Like,
अरे check. Listen. 288 का डबल. ये 288 है. मानते हो ये 288 है? हाँ. तो इसका डबल, इसका दोनों का डबल करते हैं तो 288 का डबल हो जाएगा. तो 180 का डबल 360 प्लस 216. But sine 360 plus something, 360 is redundant. I don't need to use. So cancel it.
okay.
So 360 plus 216 is basically sine 216 only.
Okay.
It's a smarter way to do it. That's how I did it.
Okay.
Clear, no? Okay. In this question, make sure you will combine it in such a way that I get a known angle. Known angle means उसमें भी एक preference होता है. That you studied in 10th standard. 30, 60, 9. वो सब आएगा तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Cos 84 and cos 24.
Cos.
And
okay.
12 and 48.
Yeah. And 60 to you already know. Okay, good. Like that only try. Good. Cos 60 ka I will write it as. Good. So here remember this angle is smaller. Okay, so I'll put minus 2 sine sum divided by sum by 2 and difference by 2. Sum difference is 60 na? Direct. Sum kitna आएगा? 108. So sine 54 आएगा क्या?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus half plus here also. So what did I write? Cos 12 plus इनका difference again I'll put a minus only. Minus 2 cos is sine. Sum divided by 2 is 30 and 36. Difference is 36. So sine 89. Okay. Here this much is clear. Might have got this. Now sine 30 का value डालते हैं next step में. Sine 30 का value is half. Here also sine 30 का value is half. Half cancel. Okay, it's minus sine 54 plus half minus sine 18. And sine 54 I can write it as cos 36. Okay. It's half of minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus root of 5 minus 1 by 4. Now let us take the LCM. 2 minus root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. ऐसे आ रहा है क्या?
1 minus root 5 by 2.
Hey, did I do some? Hurry. Here it is cos 12 minus cos 48. So I've taken the bigger angle minus smaller. तो बाहर एक negative आना चाहिए ना?
हाँ.
Okay. I didn't do that negative. Sorry. Okay. Now it is correct. So this all cancel 0.
Okay.
You got 0?
Yeah.
Good. Start doing. I'll paste the next values, next questions. What did you do here? It's easy, no? Or you're doing the second one?
The first one, I multiplied and divided by 2.
Okay, correct.
And cos 120 minus cos 144. So minus half plus
Correct.
cos 36.
cos a minus b आएगा ना, correct? Cos 20 minus cos 144, correct?
हाँ
So cos 120 is minus half.
हाँ
What did you do for this?
it is minus cos 36, so minus minus plus.
Yeah, 180 plus 54, right? No. Sorry, 90 plus 54, correct?
I did 180 minus
180 minus
36.
36. That is also correct. So that will be minus cos. So ये plus आएगा, plus
हाँ
cos 6 आएगा.
हाँ
Correct. So half plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. Correct?
हाँ
So half into root 5 plus 1 minus 2 by 4.
हाँ yeah.
So that will come as
root 5 minus 1 by 8.
correct. Correct only. Good. Next one. Are you taking the LCM?
Where?
Here. Correct? Okay. Cos pi by 10. 4 cos square pi by 10 minus 3 minus 2 sin pi by 10. Is it correct till here? Okay. Then what will you do? Think.
Into cos pi by 10.
Why?
divided
Why? Good. Excellent.
Because it's like in that 4 cos
Correct.
cube minus 3
Excellent.
cos.
Excellent. See, now you're getting the hang of this. Okay. So when you multiply this here, you will get 4
Cos
cos
54.
cube pi by 10 minus 3 cos pi by 10. Okay. And minus, this also will become an identity actually.
Sin 36.
2 sin pi by 10 into cos pi by 10. Okay. Divided by cos pi by 10. Okay.
I was going to do that before only for that sign. Would it have changed?
No. Same thing it will come. Finally.
Okay.
Okay. Now, ये cos cube theta का formula है, cos 3 theta का formula है.
4.
Yeah. So cos 3 pi by 10 minus this will be sin 2 pi by 10. Now, are these two related?
So cos square pi by 10 for denominator.
अच्छा, square है क्या? हाँ. Okay. Are they related? 3 pi by 10 and 2 pi by 10 का sum कितना? अरे add it up. What is the sum? What is the sum?
Oh,
pi by 10. Pi by 2. Complementary angle है और उसके ऊपर sin भी है. Sin and cos. So what is the numerator? 0. Or you can think like this. I'll take cos pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 10 minus sin
Okay.
2 pi by 10.
Okay.
वैसे भी सोच सकते हो, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. And then you know it is 0.
Yeah.
Why? Because this becomes sin 2 pi by 10. See, you understood what I thought? इसका sum कितना देख डायरेक्ट pi by 2 and then cos and sin finished. Tan and cot भी ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Sec and cosec भी ऐसे भी कर सकते हो डायरेक्ट वैसे. Okay. Okay. Now before going to the next question, listen. I taught you these formulas. I don't know if you remember. Do you remember it?
2 plus 2.
1 minus 2 sin square
Cos square.
theta. Here 1 minus 3
Sin square. Cos
square theta. Okay. Okay. So basically, what I'm going to tell you now you don't need to by heart that also, but you need to identify the method to reach there. Within 2 seconds, you can reach. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is listen. I'll multiply here 2 and divide 2. Okay. And I'll multiply here 4 and divide 4. Okay. So can I say that 2 sin theta cos theta ka whole square is 4 sin square cos square, and which is my sin square 2 theta? Can I say this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see what is happening.
1 minus.
What is this then? Whole thing. Sin square 2 theta.
Huh.
So I'll write this whole formula as
So cos 2 theta.
नहीं by 2 हो गया ना, तो
Sin.
okay. Now this whole thing I can write it as this, correct?
Huh.
So I'll write 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square theta.
Huh.
So whenever the fourth power of sin square 4 theta and sin square sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta, yes, 6 power comes, can you only completely convert it into 2 theta of sine? Yes. See. So I'm not telling you to by heart this. I'm telling you have to by heart this and remember the method. So just note it down because next problem we'll be applying it.
Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay. Now before going into that, before trying it, tell me you will play with pi minus theta or pi by 2 minus theta? First question. Denominator and this number, you check. Is it more than half or less than half? So you play with?
Pi by 2.
Why you're doubtful? Pi by 2 minus theta. Okay? Now 16 ka half?
8.
So 8 and 7 ka difference? 1. So this and 2 are related. Now 18 ka half 8. 16 ka half 8. 8 and 5 ka difference 3. So ye dono related. Then you apply this formula that I taught you. Try it. Understood? I'll just come. So if you know, this will become cos raised to 4 3 pi by 16, and this will become cos raised to 4 pi by 16. ये clear है? Then these two will combine. These two will combine. So 2 times two times no, correct. No. So sin raised to 4 pi by 16 plus cos raised to 4 pi by 16 plus sin raised to 4 3 pi by 16 plus cos raised to 4 3 pi by 16. Till here, is it clear?
Yeah.
Now you know the formula. You know the formula. Usually the old formula. It will come only in terms of pi by 16 and 3 pi by 16. We don't want it. We don't know. So, but उसका double क्या है? इसका double angle क्या है? Pi by 8. Pi by 8 we know. 22.5.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So like that. इसका double वही है ना? हाँ. Okay. And 3 pi by 8 also we know. So now try it in sin 2 theta formula. But I don't think it will come in that way. You will get it without that only. Don't worry. Because the 22.5 sin ka important nahi hai na. You will directly get it. Don't worry. You will get an answer. So, can I write 1 minus half into sin square pi by 8? Ye yaad hai what I did?
Yeah.
This one. Okay. And this one will be 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 3 pi 8. Meaning उसका double. इसका double निकाल रहा हूं मैं. And इसका double निकाल रहा हूं मैं.
So why 3 pi by 4?
क्या हुआ?
Why 3 pi by 4?
अरे मैंने तो कर दिया था.
3 by 4, sorry, not pi.
Okay. अच्छा oh yeah sorry okay yeah you're right sorry. यहाँ पे sin raised to 4 ही चल रहा है ना? Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Now you're right. Okay, now 1 plus 1 2. So I'll write 2. Half can I take common? I'll take common. Sin square pi by 8 plus sin square 3 pi by 8. Now genuinely look, what is the sum of this?
4.
Array?
1 by 2, हाँ.
Pi by 2.
pi by 2.
So that means what? ये क्या होगा? ये cos square pi by 8 बन जाएगा.
हाँ.
So what is sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8?
1.
So 2 minus half. I'm slowly increasing the level up. Huh? जैसे देख के समझ में सकता है कि ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. I hope it's clear.
हाँ.
Okay. Done. Written down.
1 second.
We'll do tomorrow. We'll do one question of this, and then we'll start with conditional identities, which is more important. इसके बाद थोड़ा सा little bit only. I think 5-6 days. 5 days, 6 days में I think this will get over. Long quadratic equations. उससे पहले I'll take calculus का थोड़ा सा basics, not the entire calculus, but basics 3-4 days में. That will help you for graph plotting. So उसके बाद quadratic.
Done.
Okay. We'll see. I'll tell you if it is 7:15 or 7:30. Huh? Okay. Bye.